Hello everyone, welcome to English class. Dear students, today we are going to end the chapter number 6, the monkey and the crocodile. So open your books and let's get started. Before to start, let's have a quick recap of the chapter. Monkey and the crocodile became friends. Okay, they remained busy in long talks, and Crocodile's wife got angry as he reached late at home one day. She demanded the heart of monkey to eat because she was very angry as his husband remained busy in the talk, and Crocodile decided to fulfill her demand. Okay, first of all, he was thinking means he can't betray his friends as he was very fond of monkey, as well as he loved his wife. Okay, but after the a very difficult situation, he decided to fulfill the demand of her wife, his wife, sorry. Okay, so let's start. As you can see, page number 23, main points are given. The monkey was thunderstruck. He knew his life was in danger because in the midway, the crocodile explained the things to monkey, why he had taken him on his back and why are they going to his home. So he kept his cool and persuaded the crocodile on a pretext to swim back to the tree, and he decided then to discontinue his friendship with the crocodile. So how monkey saved his life? Let's read it. Okay, the monkey was scared and distressed, but he was sensible and clever like all monkeys. He kept a cool head. Calmly, he said, I would do anything for you and your family. You are my only friend. After all, what is a monkey's heart compared with the life of a crocodile's wife? But how foolish could you be? Why didn't you tell me before? I would have brought my heart along. Okay, so first of all, look at the meaning of the words. Here is the word scared, which means frightened, distressed, suffering from anxiety. Okay, and sensible means clever. So what happened? The monkey was disturbed, very got frightened and very disturbed to hear that. He knew that his life was in danger, but he kept cool. He remained calm himself, and he was wise. Okay, so he told the crocodile that he was ready to do anything for his family. After all, what was the value of a monkey's heart before his wife? Okay, so he was agreeing with the thoughts of crocodile. So but why didn't the crocodile tell him all that on the tree itself? When they started their journey, the crocodile should tell him about these things so that he would have brought his heart along. As per the monkey, he left his heart on the tree, so it should be told by the crocodile so that he would have brought his heart along, which was on the tree now. So here is, you can see the picture. The monkey, the crocodile is here, and monkey is riding on his back. Okay, and now he is telling that his heart is on the tree. But where is your heart? Asked the crocodile innocently. I thought you carried it all the time. Of course not. It's there on the tree. Let's swim back at once and get it. Your wife must be waiting, replied the monkey, gaining confidence. Okay, so how he confessed, how he uh, um, cro- make a crocodile very comfortable with his talks. Like the crocodile asked innocently where the monkey's heart was. Okay, so in his view, the monkey must be carrying it with him all the time. Obviously, every person, every living thing carried all the things, all his their hearts with them. But monkey told him that he wouldn't carry his heart with him. It is on the tree. Okay, so what he told him, So the monkey refused confidently and replied that it was there on the tree. So he suggested that they swim back so that he could get it, as they would get late as his wife must be waiting. So just get, let's swim back at once. Okay, so he suggested that they should swim back so that he could get it. Oh dear, what a mistake, hissed the crocodile. They laughed loudly as the crocodile took a full turn to reach the tree. So, what happened? The crocodile murmured over such a foolish mistake and took a turn to go back to the tree. Both of them laughed aloud. Okay, both of them laughed aloud. Right? So, here is the next page. As you can see, crocodile, monkey hanging on the tree. On the river bank, the monkey jumped onto the tree and heaved a deep sigh of relief. He plucked a fruit or two from the nearest branch and throwing them down said, "Let your wife have some fruit rather than my heart. Fresh fruits are good for mind and body. Goodbye, friend, and if you don't mind, we won't meet again." The crocodile, sadder and wiser, shed a few tears which were genuine and turned back to go home. He was in a hurry to tell his wife a thing or two. Okay, so what happened then? The monkey jumped on the tree and felt relieved. He pulled one or two fruits and threw them down. He told the crocodile to give those fruits to his wife rather than his heart, as fresh fruits were better for health. He asked him not to meet again and bid him farewell forever. Okay, because as he reached on the tree, he jumped back on the tree, and obviously crocodiles can't climb the tree. Okay, so in this way monkey saved his life. And when he reached on the tree, he just threw 2 3 fruits in the mouth of crocodile and told him to give it to his wife as well, because it is good for the health, and never come here again, because he broke his friendship, broke his bond with the crocodile. Hearing that, the crocodile felt sad and went back home, shedding tears, and obviously he was thinking to say something about all these things to his wife as well. Because of his wife's stubborn thoughts only, he has lost his friend. Okay, so he would tell what he would tell his wife about his foolishness, and obviously he would tell her that it was not a wise decision to pay attention to her words and cheat a friend. Obviously these are the words which he could tell to his wife. Okay, because of his wife only he has lost his best friend. Okay, and if we talk about monkey's side, then which moral we can get? Obviously we should not believe anyone blindly. Okay, because we know that what is the nature of crocodile. They can eat anybody. Okay, so it the message which is depicted by this story is that we should not trust anyone blindly. We must think before taking any decision, and in difficult situation we should remain calm. Okay, and we can find the solution. And this message has been conveyed by their friendship, and the in the difficult situation, as monkey remained calm and gets it solution and saved himself. Similarly, in any kind of difficult situation we should remain calm and find the solution. Okay, I hope you all have understood and enjoyed the story very much. So thank you so